Hi, to confirm whether your Honor Magic 7 Lite is original or fake, I got several tips for you. So first thing you can do is you can open settings and here find this tab about phone. So now you should see all of this information about your device such as model, build number, OS version, and so on. And here you'd find IMEI. Also, if you scroll a bit down, you should see status. Choose it and here you'll find IMEI for the second SIM card slot and also serial number. So you can compare those numbers with numbers on the box in which your device came. Here's IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and serial number. And if it matches, then it's a good sign that your device is original. What else you can do is you can open phone app and here enter this secret code asterisk hash 06 and hash. Now this device information window pops up in which you can also find IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and serial number. So also compare those numbers with numbers on the box and if it matches then your device is original. Of course, what we can do is we can examine the appearance of the device. So, original phones, original Honor Magic 7 Lite is made with quality. Pay attention to the seams, material, and texture of the back part. There should be no imperfections, and just take a look how the camera should look. It should be thin but strong. All of the buttons should be pressable and not shaky. They should be fixed. And also check the company logo and markings on the back of the phone. They should be clearly visible and evenly printed. Any slight variations may indicate a fake one. So this is how it should look on your phone as well. The next thing I suggest you to do is to examine the camera. If you have doubts about the quality of the photo, it is worth considering that the device may be a fake. So this is what modes we got in camera. Night mode, portrait, this one. And let's try to take a photo and check its quality. So I'm gonna point the camera and press camera shutter button. As you can see, the picture turned out really detailed and sharp. We can see everything, even dust and dirt on the table. So that is the type of quality that should be on your device as well. And make sure that interface works without lag. Fake phones often have performance problems. So try opening a few apps or scrolling through menus. If everything runs smoothly and without lags, then it's a good sign. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.